So before you do anything, open up the App Store and make sure that you updated Instagram to the last version so you can actually get all the new features. Next step, I'm gonna just open up my Instagram. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and you're gonna see your story at the top left. So I'm gonna just click on it. Okay, and from here I'm gonna just choose whether it was already you recorded a video and you want to add it to your story, or if you want to click the camera and start creating your new story. Okay, that's up to you. And you can just see right here, this is, filled with videos and photos. You could just even choose photos if you wanted to. If you want to choose this photo, for example, you can just go ahead right here and choose photo. Okay, let's say for example you chose, let's say for example, some kind of photo just like this. Okay, normal photo. What I'm gonna do, you guys see right here the text. Okay, if you want to add text to that photo, okay, something like that. If you want to add stickers, okay, location, maybe you want to mention someone else in that photo or video, okay, or if you want to add music to it, you could just go ahead right here and click. Okay, or if you are promoting for your new website, you can just go ahead right here and add link, and you gotta just add the link. Okay, so there's a lot of stickers that you can actually add from, even poll if you wanted to add poll or quiz for your fans. Okay, from here you're gonna see the music, obviously, right? You could just choose from the Instagram library, like your taste really, and afterwards it's gonna be added right here, and you're gonna be able to choose the template of that song if you want it to be appearing or not. Okay, and here you're gonna see the effects. Okay, you can just choose the effects that you want for your story right here. Okay, if you want to add like new kind of a effect, you can just do that, or if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and cancel at the top left. And here you're gonna see at the three dots, you're gonna see draw if you want to draw something. All right, or you're gonna see right here save if you want to save it after you added everything. Okay, and afterwards you're gonna just go ahead right here and you're gonna add it to your story at the below left. If you have close friends, or if it was kind of a personal thing, you gotta just go ahead right here and click close friends. Okay, or if you wanted to actually make it public, you could just go ahead right here and to click your story. It's gonna be appearing to the public. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.